Hey there, I'm here with my beautiful wife, Angel.
Hey guys!
And we're talking about a new skincare company that we've tried out and just seeing really good results with it. We really like it. I'm excited about it from the nerd perspective because it's organic, wild crafted. You could literally eat it and it would help your health. And really anything you put on your skin, theoretically, you should be able to eat. Not that you would, but you should be able to eat because your skin is permeable. And so whatever goes on your skin is going to get into your bloodstream. So you want something really pure, organic, really natural. And that's why we like this. And so, we've got Angel here who's always makes me look good. And of course, you guys really care more about what she thinks of it. So Angel, tell me your thoughts. I know you were telling me about how you like some of these products. So
Yeah, some of my favorites. So this is the Aloe Herb Cleanser, and it's a little pump. You pump some in your hand and rub it on your face. And I get a little cloth and I wipe it with warm water. It actually removes my makeup. It removed my mascara even. So I was impressed because a lot of cleansers don't do that. So that was a favorite. This is the, I don't know how to say that one.
That's the micro exfoliant.
It's Kaolin.
Yeah.
I don't know how to say it, but I loved the texture of this. I've noticed a lot of exfoliants are either too harsh and gritty or not enough. So this was perfect. After I used it on my skin was super soft. So this was one of my favorites. And this is the Neroli Toning Mist. I spray this on my face after I cleanse it, and it's refreshing, it's light, and it helps tone up. And my other favorite is the anti-aging facial oils, excuse me. There's a large size and a small size. So I actually like the large size better because it's a pump and you can just pump the amount you need onto your hand. Whereas with the smaller size, it's nice for traveling, but you have to wait on each drop to come out. It's like an essential oil bottle. So if you wanna test it out, or if you want to travel, small size is nice. But anyways, I really love the way it smells and the way it makes my face feel. It feels very soft and luxurious, and it doesn't feel oily or greasy. It's the perfect amount of moisture.
Yeah, and then I like this right here, the Probiotic Serum, right? So we have all these bacteria, microorganisms on our skin, so we want stuff that is going to help cultivate a really healthy skin microbiome. So just like in our gut, we've got a biome on our literally a life forms on our skin, and that really helps with that. And those life forms help strengthen our immune system, and our skin is a barrier, so it's a very important component of our immune system.
So with this one, you just get a very small amount, and you just go a couple dots and you rub it all over before you put on the moisturizer oil. Yep. So I've been very excited to find a brand that works this well and is this pure. It's very exciting to me.
Yeah, absolutely. And so I would definitely give it a shot. I think you'll see great results with it. So check it out. We'd love to know your questions, your comments about it. So feel free to share those as well. All right, be blessed, guys.
Bye, guys.